through here a little quicker. Now we'll just give you the big hits. Alan Webster. Another Dodgers insert, top 100. Another Bowman Best. Brent Green. David Ortiz. Should be due for another nice insert. I see it. I see an orange. Just hopped in. Here we go. Franklin Gutierrez. Orange number 250. These are nice cards. Love the inserts on this set. Kyle Russell. Freddie Freeman gold. Promising rookie for the Braves fans out there. The gold are parallel to the base set. Not as rare as the orange or blue. They're not serial numbered, but still nice cards. Alex Rodriguez. Ty Morrison, another Bowman Best. This one is Bryce Harper Bowman Best. A couple nice Bryce Harper cards. Alright, for you Bryce Harper fans, they will be listed online. I'm not sending out any emails yet to alert fans of what new is online, so you kind of just have to come back and check often to see when these get listed. By the time this video gets out, I should be at least listing the base set. Starlin Castro Finest Futures. A couple nice Bryce Harpers in this box. Gotta like that. And you will find our prices are competitive to all auction sites or the major sites out there, so trust me, give us a try. Phil Hughes, their Finest. Alright, zip through the rest of these, through the big hits. Still waiting for our hit, haven't got the auto yet. Brian McCain, Mike Stanton, Finest Futures. Nothing exciting yet. Another Bowman Best. Tyler Matzek, Ty Lilly. David Bryce, Curtis Granderson, Sammy Solis, Tops 100. Some cool cards. Alright, looks like after this pack we got about 6 left, so let's zip through them. Jimmy Rollins. Rios, Evan Crawford, Stephen Vaught, Carl Crawford, Bowman's Brightest. This is Bryce Harper, Bowman's Brightest. 3 Bryce Harpers in this box. This is sweet. Might be one of the better boxes I've opened. 3 Bryce Harpers. They will be listed online. I don't collect these cards, I put them online. And I try to be competitive with all the big sites out there, so check us out, you Bryce Harper fans. Justin Verlander gold in that one. I didn't show it, but just pitched his second no-hitter. I'm telling you, he's going to be a good pitcher. Being a Tigers fan, I keep a close eye on him. Mike Davis, Buster Posey, Jason Hayward, got to get his average up this year. Ubaldo Jimenez, insert, Finest Futures, pretty cool pack there. Any chance? We haven't gotten the auto yet, unless I missed it. If I missed it, I'll just post a comment next to the video of what the auto was, but Haven't seen it yet. Only got 2 packs left. Charles Brewer. Alright, I expect it in one of these 2 packs unless we didn't get one. Keon Broxton. Oh, here we go. Carlos Perez, pitcher for the Braves. So you Braves fan, we got a Bowman prospect auto. Carlos Perez. I don't know much about him, so I'll have to look him up, see what he's got. And last pack. Albert Pujols. Never heard of him. Just kidding. And, ooh, Bryce Harper again. Here's a refractor. Oh, this has been a sweet box. Bowman Chrome Prospect, numbered to 799, Bryce Harper. Couldn't ask for a better box. And a Ryan Braun Gold to finish it off. Alright, thanks for watching. These cards will all be listed online, www.sandlotcards. Thanks.